Welcome to this in-depth overview of Nanopool, a top-rated mining pool in the cryptocurrency space. Nanopool supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Cash, and others. This makes it an excellent choice for miners looking to diversify their portfolios while enjoying a robust and efficient mining experience. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned miners. Upon entering Nanopool's official website, users are greeted with a straightforward and well-organized dashboard. Key metrics such as hash rates, active workers, and unpaid balances are displayed in real time, offering transparency and ease of monitoring. One of Nanopool's standout features is its low fee structure, which allows miners to maximize their earnings. The fee for Ethereum mining, for instance, is competitively set at just 1%, making it one of the most cost-effective pools available. Nanopool also excels in its payout system. Miners can customize their payout thresholds, allowing for flexible and timely payments that suit individual preferences. This level of customization ensures that users have full control over their mining rewards, enhancing the overall experience. Additionally, the platform offers detailed statistics and reporting tools to track performance over time, empowering miners to optimize their setups effectively. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For those who are concerned about security, Nanopool implements rigorous measures to protect user data and funds. Its servers are distributed globally to ensure reliability and uptime, and the site employs SSL encryption to safeguard transactions and personal information. These features demonstrate Nanopool's commitment to providing a safe and secure mining environment. Setting up with Nanopool is a breeze. The site provides clear instructions and downloadable configuration files for various mining software. Whether you're using GPUs or specialized ASIC miners, Nanopool has you covered with optimized settings tailored to different hardware types. Moreover, the community forums and support channels are rich resources for troubleshooting and learning from other miners' experiences. Make the most out of your mining potential with Nanopool's innovative features and unparalleled transparency. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below.